Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda CRV. We're talking about that generation from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the DRL fuse is located, which fuse you need to check. It could be two fuses in two different fuse boxes, where they're located, where to buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means guys. But something else guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view guys of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So now the DRL fuse guys, where it's located, two fuses we will need to check in two different fuse boxes. We will demonstrate on the 2015 Honda CRV. The first fuse box that we will need to open will be on the inside, on the driver's side. Come on the driver's side, above the pedals on the left side guys, look under the dash all the way upside down in the left corner there. You will notice that we have a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. Before we guys continue now, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. In this fuse box we'll need to check one fuse and we'll need to go to a different fuse box, and specifically here guys we're talking about fuse number 21. That fuse right here is fuse number 21. Next you need to open the hood. Right here under the hood, that's the engine management fuse box. Open that cover and you will see that layout. This will be towards the front of the car, this is towards the windshield side, but that way we can show you. If you have that options, it really depends guys on what year and model yours is, if it comes with it, with the DRL lights. Okay, you will need to check one more fuse guys. Okay, and we're talking about fuse number 19. It will be that fuse right here if you have it, fuse number 19. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.